How y'all living? How y'all feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all? As y'all can see, we're in the Versatile Garage. This isn't my typical video, man. We're actually gonna be doing a restoration on my dad's Toyota Paseo, man. Give y'all a walk around of it to show y'all why we even doing a restoration on it. As y'all can see, you know, got little blemishes here and there, little areas in the paint. This car is a 1993, so it's been through its decades already, so it's pretty beat up, man. Some nice new fresh paint on it. Some upgraded, you know, tail lights. What do I always say, man? As y'all can see, this thing is pretty beat up. But what do I always say? I said it in my video when I got the Aventador tail lights, man, because you know I had the regular red and clear stock lights. Black is always better. We about to black this thing completely out. That's what he's been wanting to do. He never got a chance to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it for him, man. Since the vet is in the shop, this is what I'm daily driving for right now. Let me tell y'all though, gas is only $24 to fill up with 9 gallons. And that thing is a manual, as y'all can see, y'all. So I will be getting a video on how to drive a manual, y'all, pretty soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. But today, what we're gonna be using is paint from a restoration shop, man. This is acrylic enamel, jet black paint. Then you got your enamel wet look. We're gonna be doing an 8-to-1 ratio. I'm gonna show y'all how to mix that. Got myself a mixing cup right here. Got myself a mask too, cause you don't wanna be breathing in none of this, man. Got myself some sanding paper to sand down some of the rough spots, but we're pretty much gonna be repainting over the stock paint. Then, you know, got a funnel, got the plastic liner, cause you know you're gonna want to protect your floor wherever you're at. Then to the paint gun, y'all. I haven't used this one yet, but I've used one before. This one is an electric paint sprayer from Hawk Force, y'all. So let's see how this works, man. Hopefully it comes out flawless, man, cause your boy ain't never used a paint gun. I'm normally with the spray can. But yeah, y'all, we about to get into it, man. About to tape off the windows, you know, side windows, back window. About to get all that taped up, y'all. I'm gonna get back at y'all when we mixing the paint, and it'll be time to put that first coat on. See y'all then. All right, y'all, so it's actually lost daylight, but finally got the car all masked up, y'all. Covered the windows all up, door handles, y'all, tail lights. If y'all are doing something like this on one of your vehicles, you're gonna cover everything mechanical, such as the locks too as well. Debagged it, y'all. We're gonna put some new ones on. Cover the wheels up. Make sure all the windows and mirrors are covered, and door handles. Covered this up. Going to be painting these as well, since they do have a little rust on them and they are discolored a little bit. Debagged the front as well. Took off the front license plate holder. She's ready, man. About to go ahead and sand it up a little bit, like I said earlier. Then it'll be time to mix that paint. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we got that paint pretty dull. Got the roof pretty good, not gonna lie to you. Everything else is pretty dull. And the reason for this being, y'all, is so you give the new paint something better to adhere to rather than just the old paint. You wanna scrape some of that off, y'all, get it dull. It'll stick better, it'll look better. Y'all, I know I'm supposed to, before I get some hate comments down below, I know I'm supposed to, you know, sand it down all the way down to the bare metal or get it sandblasted. I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, y'all. The vet is coming back very soon, y'all, so we really didn't have time to sand it down all the way. Plus, we are going black, so if we're going any like a bright color or something like that, of course we would have wanted to primer it, you know, with the white, give it a better gloss, all that extra. Nah, we're going simple jet black, y'all. So I'm about to show y'all how to mix that right now inside the cup. Alright, y'all, so now we have our measuring cup right here in front of us. You want to match up the ratio that your paint is specific to. And for us, it's going to be 8-to-1. And you're going to find it right there. And we're going to fill it up. Let it focus. to this 3 and this 3. You're going to line it up over here with the ounces or the milliliters, whatever your the paint gun you're using, or however much it holds. For mine's over there, as you can see in the back over there, it holds 1,000 milliliters, so I'm good to fill it up all the way up to the top 3 over here. So you're going to want to fill it up to 3 parts paint right here. Well, it's going to be 8 parts paint, and then 1 part of the enamel hardener right here. So let's go ahead and do that, y'all. Bear with me. I'm using some type of, I don't know if this is gonna work, y'all. Let me get a better cup and I'll get back at y'all. Alright, y'all, so now that I have a better cup or tool to use, I want to scoop it into your measuring cup. Not bad. Got it off camera. So I'll scoop it, make sure it gets to that 3 on the left hand side. Boom. Put the rest back in there. So y'all, as y'all can see, we're a little bit over. Gonna pour a little bit back. Let's see. Boom. Alright, we're good. So now it's time to add your 1 part enamel wet look hardener, y'all. Oh shit, we got the cap on, y'all. Boom. And you want to do it until it fills up right up to the other 3. Just how it did, like such. Next, you're going to take a supplied stirrer. If yours came with one, you're always going to want to mix it, y'all. Once we get this nicely mixed up, we're going to put it inside the gun. Put it on our little paint booth, y'all, in the back right here. See how it comes out. So, y'all, we tested it out, y'all. My bad, I got it off camera. Y'all gonna want to make sure y'all masked up for this. And as y'all can see, for the dust too as well. As y'all see, I got some of the blue car paint, y'all, inside the mask. You don't want to mask up. You don't want this inside y'all lungs. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Since I like what I see, y'all, time to go ahead and test it on the car. Getting some orange peel in there. I do not like that. Say we're getting some orange peel in there, y'all. I don't like that. But for the most part, it's coming out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Since this is the first coat, I'm not really too much worried about it. Cause you know we can work that out when we go over it again. The final coats are where you're gonna want perfection at, cause that's gonna be the top coat. But yeah, y'all, about to get back into it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so finally got the whole car painted. In the hood, you can still see a little bit of the scratches from when we sanded, but you know, that was expected since this is the first coat. That's why we are gonna have to go over it again, y'all. But man, that thing coming out nice. For this to be the first coat, come on now. The first coat looked like that. Damn near like a mirror. What the fuck, goddamn Kermit the Frog in this bitch. You got to go, cuz. Yep, stay up. You can eat up all the bugs. But yeah, y'all, before we was interrupted by Kermit, look at the mirror shine on that mug. Does have a dent. Wish I had a dent puller, y'all. Wish I really had more time to do this the right way. Really sand it down all the way. Take the dents out and stuff. But man, even though I didn't, y'all, for this to be the first coat, I really do believe this thing is coming out fairly nice. Just wanted to give y'all an update, y'all. I'll get back at y'all when we got a second coat on it, y'all, so y'all can see how it look. Oh my God, y'all. that second coat is looking 10 times better from that first coat, man, because all them scratches from when we sanded it down, man, they're going away. This jet black is looking, I mean, it's speaking for itself right now, man. That thing is speaking for itself. This is jet black from Amazon, man, this restoration shop company. If you follow that 8-to-1 ratio, man, it's gonna get you right. That thing is, it's dry to the touch right now, but you can still feel underneath it, it's not that dry. So, about to do a third coat, man. Probably let it sit a little bit longer. But man, y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man, what y'all think about the second coat. I'm probably about to go heavy on the third one, or I might just go another even coat and then go heavy on that fourth one, then go maybe a light coat on the fifth one, maybe a fifth one, y'all, depending on how it look after that fourth. Maybe do a little touch up with it, but for the most part, y'all, it's coming along fairly nice, man. Alright, y'all, got that third coat on there, man. Sheesh. Come on, y'all. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man, how the car coming out. I really think it look way better than that green that was on it, man. And as y'all can see, all those scratch marks, they're gone. I'm gonna put one more coat on it, y'all. But for the most part, it look good. I just want one more solid black coat over that, man, and then we'll be done. All right, y'all, so this is 2 days later, y'all, after the paint has fully cured and everything. Let me show y'all. Paint looks pretty good, not gonna lie to y'all. What it does need is some 2K Max clear gloss, y'all. It's clear glamour. I had got some clear coat, but as you can see, let me see, let the camera focus. It wasn't for the car, man. It started spider webbing, and then just a whole bunch of overspray, it looks like, but it wasn't. Look, you can see it in between the door right there. It like caused a whole bunch of spider webbing, man. I don't know what kind of clear coat that was, but luckily I recognized it before I sprayed the whole car, y'all. It's just on this quarter panel. So once that clear gloss comes in, y'all, I'm gonna sand that down with like a fine or smooth, was like 120 grit, wet sanded, man. I'll be able to fix that, because you know it's not too deep in the coat. But yeah, y'all, this is about 5 coats of gloss black, that jet black. But once that clear coat comes in, man, we're gonna see how it looks after that.